Howdy, and welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. This is another episode of the auction review series, which I hope you're enjoying. If not, there's a few other episodes. Please check them out. So this is a 96 left-hand drive, imported 300 TDI Defender 90. Let me start with, I'm not a 90 expert. There's a lot of guys that know every single NAS or every single series. That's not me. I take them at face value. But this one's interesting just because it had a very high price point, and it says there's a little bit of heritage, which I don't really understand. I'm sure someone does and can correct me in the comments. But this one's listed for $74,000, which in today's kind of oversaturated Defender 110 and 90 import market seems a little lofty. So I don't know if whatever heritage that this special vehicles build brings a $15,000 premium. So ISNOR factory development, blah, blah, blah. It's got, SVU heritage, but I don't really think that actually added anything to this particular model. It was owned by Mr. Aline, who only owned it for set 10 years. 10 years is 2014. It's not a very long time. It's not like it was between decades when things were a little bit different. That doesn't seem relevant. It's got a paint code, 584 yellow, cool color. Thing about paint codes and Land Rovers is they were just kind of painted by blokes, right? They're not. It's not a special process or an insane amount of labor that goes into it. You take the panel off, you paint it, you put it back on. Hopefully the panel doesn't have rust. These are Legos. These are toys. You take them apart, put them back together, put some paint on it. There's nothing that crazy about any of these builds. So let's dive into the truck itself. It presents very well. It looks nice. Has a snorkel. It's got the 90 wheels. It's got the little push bar, the Land Rover factory lights. It's a soft top. I don't think the non-US market received a lot of soft tops. I'm sure that's something slightly special. But the paint looks good. Seat looks good. There's no running video. There's no underside shots. There's no mention of a replacement frame or anything that would potentially boost the overall long-term value of this truck. But like I said, it presents good. The paint looks fine. There's a couple little dents and dings, blah, blah, blah. But it's a Defender. I do know those soft tops are hard to find if you're doing a restoration right now. They're not on the shelf. But also, here you go. Got BFG TAs on there, or ATs. Those tires have been made for like 14 years. So those tires are potentially 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 years old. They're not KO2s, they're not KO3s. They got some tire shine on them. A lot of dealers don't replace tires because they're very expensive and into the profit margins. I get it. I sell cars. It's not great. But also, 15-year-old tires aren't the best thing to sell someone a car with, especially on an SUV. They blow out, they fall off. It's a problem. ISNOR edition, cool. Like I said, if you know anything about that edition, let me know in the comments. It's just an interesting. For $74,000, you can get a very nice NAS 90 with 3.9 or a new galvanized frame. I mean, you're getting into a more collectible, more desirable car or budget, I guess. I mean, if you already have one, you want something like this. It's not a bad entry point, but it doesn't seem like this is worth substantially more than a limited edition 110 or 90, at least in the States, right? I think that the V8's probably a better purchase at this price point. But correct me if I'm wrong. I just thought it was a little out of the norm, especially as the market wanes. All right, that's going to be it for this one. I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this truck. Good price, bad price, crack pipe, or maybe I'm missing something. But please like and subscribe to other fun YouTube stuff, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much.